Hello everyone. In my last video I have discussed about your trigonometric table, and we have even done some application of your trigonometric table. The simple application I have taken from your MBOSE textbook, and today in this video again I'll be taking some application, but the application will be slightly different to those problems whatever we have done in the last class. So I have taken few problems here, as you can look. This is from exercise 8b, question number 8, number 3. 8 number 3, what is given? In your textbook they have given, they didn't write PT. PT means prove that. They have just given like this, so you can do the correction in the textbook also. It must be proved that tan 60 degree minus tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan 60 into tan 30, it must be equal to tan of 30 degree. So you have to prove this equation. In order to prove this equation, if you can look here, your left hand side is this and your right hand side is this. So let's see how to solve this. So solution, you can start. Number 3, solution. So what you will be doing is that you start with your left hand side. Your left hand side is this. So you start with your left hand side. So what is your left hand side? You start LHS, your left hand side is tan 60 degree minus tan 30 degree divided by how much? Divided by 1 plus tan 60 degree into tan 30 degree. Now, what you will be doing in the next line? What you will be doing in the next line? You already knows the value of tan 60, tan 30 from your trigonometric table. Kindly put down the values. So what is tan 60? It is root 3 minus 1 by root over 3. Divided by how much you are going to get? 1 plus tan 60 is root over 3 into 1 by root over 3. So you finish to substitute the value of tan 60 and tan 30. Now we'll try to simplify it. So this root 3 and root 3, you can cancel it out. Then you see what should be done for your numerator. What is the LCM? LCM will be root over 3. Now root 3 into root 3 you do, that will be 3. 3 minus 1, and your denominator will be how much? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 will become 2. So this is equal to, your numerator will become 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by root over 3 divided by 2. 2 by root over 3 divided by 2. This 2 I can write it down as 2 by 1. I can write it down as 2 by 1. So how much you are going to get next? Let's see. This is equal to 2 by 3 is 2 by root 3 is 2 by root over 3 into, you bring your denominator towards the numerator. So when you bring it, it will become how much? 1 by 2. You cancel this 2 and 2, how much you got? You got your left hand side as 1 by root over 3. I hope so. This is alright for you. Now let us see what is given in the right hand side. Your right hand side is what? Tan 30 degree. So next line you take your RHS. Your RHS is equal to how much? Tan of 30 degree. And what is your tan 30? It is 1 by root over 3. So if you can look here, you got your left hand side as 1 by root 3. And your right hand side is also 1 by root over 3. So what you can say? Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. That means your left hand side is equal to right hand side. And this is proved. This is proved. I hope so. This is okay for you. Now, let me take one more problem from your textbook. That is question number 9. Now, what they have seen in question number 9. Let me just go through the question. I have already written the question here. So let's see. Find the value of x You have to find out x, and the condition is given for x. 0 degree less than x less than 90 degree. That means the condition for x is that it should lies between 0 and 90 degree. It should lies between 0 and 90 degree. So you can see I have written two problems. So I will be solving one of them, and one of them you can try by yourself. So let me take the first one. What is given? 2 sine 2x is equal to root over 3. How to solve this? This is again the application of your trigonometric table. So let me just show you the solution of this. Let's see. Line number 1. Line number 1 solution. So if you can look here, what is given? 2 sine 2x. 2 sine of 2x is equal to root over 3. So what does this imply? You do the simplification. Simplification means this 2 you bring it to the right hand side. So how much you are going to get? Sine 2x will become root 3 by 2. So this implies sine of 2x is equal to, now root 3 by 2. Sine of how much degree is root 3 by 2? Sine 60 degree. Because what you know, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Now if you can look here, this is sine 2x is equal to sine 60 degree. Let me just give you one formula here. Whenever you have sine A is equal to sine B, whenever you have sine A is equal to sine B, what you can see is that this implies your A must be equal to B. This implies your A must be equal to B. And most of the students, what they will be doing is that they cancel it out here. That is wrong. You are not supposed to cancel sine and sine because it represents your function. If you cancel here, then the method is not correct. So the formula is that whenever you have sine A is equal to sine B, then it implies A equal to B. It is not that you cancel sine and sine, you got A equal to B. That is wrong, okay? So when sine A is equal to sine B, what does this imply? A must be equal to B. So use this formula out here. So when you use this formula out here, what you are going to get? This implies your 2x is equal to 60 degree. One more time, I want to repeat. Don't cancel your sine and sine. That is wrong. So now let's see. What is your x? Your x will be 60 by 2. What is 60 by 2? It will be equal to 30 degree. So that is the required answer. So similarly, you can try this. Question number 2 is also there in your textbook. You can try that. And this one, question number 3 also, you can try. So I hope so this is clear for you. The applications, I have taken 2 different types of problem. This is the second type, this is the third type. So in my next class, again I will be taking some more application. I hope so this is clear for you. Okay then, I will conclude my class here and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.